Welcome back to my channel USSC Board Mentor, and today in this video I am going to show you how did I present my English board paper during my board's time. So this video is going to be about that. I'm going to show you how I wrote my paper. As a proof, you can see over here my name is also there, Shlok. So there's nothing hidden in this. I'm going to show you whole my paper, how many marks I got. See, first the invigilator, the examiner, gave me 73 marks, but then the moderator increased 2 marks, so I got 75 marks. And I think 75 marks is a very good score, especially in English. It's actually a very good score. So, as you come, these are the marks I got in each particular question. You can see over here. Now, let's see. This is the first question of grammar. Now, this is how you should make your presentation. Talking about presentation, on both the sides I have done double line margins. Now, there is no need to do double line margin. You can go with one line margin also. Why I did this? Because I had a lot of time. Half an hour before the start time of board exams, we got our answer sheets. So we had a lot of time to do the marginings, to present our paper. Like half hour में सब कुछ हो जाता है. So if you see in grammar section I have got 10 marks. In grammar section I have not lost any of my mark. There is it is very important कि grammar में आपका marks नहीं जाना चाहिए because that is the only place where you can actually be assured of your marks. So this is how I have presented, like after each grammar question, if you can see over here, मैंने एक line मारी है so that it looks good. And I have not used black pen, it's blue pen, but वो black दिख रहा है because वैसे फोटो खींचा गया है, Xerox है वो, it's not the original paper. Because of that it seems black. So if you see, this is question number 1A. I have attempted all the 5 questions in one page. One, and this is an extra question. So this is how I would suggest you to write. And after every question, like every main and sub question, I used to draw two double lines so that the teacher can differentiate between the question. Always start a new question on a new page. Like question number 1A, I started on this page, and then question number 1A and B, A2 and B I did on one page. But when you're starting with another question number 2, that time you should start with another page. So if you see over here also, A2 was of 4 marks, so 2 and 2 marks. Then this is question number 1B. The first question I did wrong, but then it was considered to be extra. Right? Now you can see over here, as I attempted another question, I got 2 marks in that. Now, as my question number 1B ended, I left the rest of the page. Why should we do this? So that it becomes easier for the teacher to give the marking scheme. It's about how you are making the work for the examiner easier so that the examiner will be happy. I think in my case, moderator was happy, so he or she increased my 2 marks. Now here if you see, here 1 mark was increased by the moderator. Examiner gave me 19 marks, but the moderator made it 20. So this is how I'm used to write the passage based questions. Max to max you should attempt 2 questions on one page. So then it looks presentable and very nice. See, now here this is how you should also attempt the web type questions. Then this is a question, I think it was based on complete the sentence. So see how I have underlined the rest of the sentence. Then this was match the following. These were 2 grammar questions. So here I got half mark, but then moderator made it 1. Then this is a personal response. I will read it. It was about, when you think about a lady warrior, who comes first to your head? So I wrote, when I think of a lady warrior from our country, the first person came in mind was Jiza Mata. She was very brave and courageous. Just as Joan of Arc, she never thought of giving up even in difficult hardships. She also made her children as brave as her. Truly, we are blessed that we had such a dynamic personality in our country. Other than her, we also have personalities like Rani Lakshmibai. So this is how you should present your answer, how you should write your personal response. Now this answer was very personal. Like I did not add any textual language. I did not write anything about Joan of Arc. They asked, whom would you think when you think about India? Correct. So you see here one trick is there. Underline the main keywords. Like for example, I made a mistake over here. If you have observed, and courageous just Joan of Arc. As लिखना मैं भूल गया इधर. बट देन इसमें मेरा मार्क डिडक्ट हुआ नहीं. बिकॉज द मतलब इससे ये शो हो रहा है कि द मॉडरेटर द एग्जामिनर मस्ट हैव रेड only the underlined part. That is important because when you are underlining, see, they have to do plenty of papers at one time. So they are not going to read every single word what you are. And ये इसका proof था. तो देखो जैसे कि वो what they will read, जिजामाता, brave, courageous, never thought of giving up, difficult hardships, children, brave, we are blessed, dynamic personality, सिर्फ इतना ही read किया था उन्होंने. And that's why they gave me 2 marks. But I think the length which I have written is perfect. Means this should be the length of your personal response, at least a half page. मतलब अभी तक आपको दिख नहीं रहा है. Here I have wrote how many lines? 1 2 3 4 5. So either 1 2 3 4 5. It's almost a half page. So utna you have to write. And if you see the how many words I have written in one line, 6 to 7 words are written in one line. So maintain that word length. I think this handwriting is small, but मैंने spaces अच्छे दिए words के बीच में इसलिए वो अच्छा दिख रहा है. Then same ये question था. This was also, I think the second passage was there. And here also the examiner deducted half mark, but then moderator increased it because it was correct only. Okay, and then see another personal response. This is, if you want to read it, you can. Now this ये half page का क्यों नहीं हुआ? Because the question was only like that I could not write half page for that. It was like if you are at your guest, if you are invited to a guest, or if you are invited as a guest at a dinner, then how would you, what would, like how would you behave and all was asked. So like see, अगर हम underlined words ही देखें, well mannered, gentle, formality, converse converse with the host, etiquette, behave accordingly, eat in a limited amount, ensuring there is no pressure on those two. इतना ही रीड करेंगे and उससे 2 marks में. Then we come जिधर मेरा 1 mark गया, that was appreciation. The questions which were there on this, now I was very good at poems. Like I used to like to elaborate poems and all. So if you see over here, no, how the length is very nice for a 2 mark question of poem. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 lines I have written. And if you read this question answer, it is very well structured because I made my poems very strong. And then you see, this is how I have written my appreciation. So the first paragraph introduction, the second paragraph was about the person. I think second paragraph was about the how many figures of speech are there, what is the poetic effect and all. And then the third paragraph was central idea. So this they have given for what, how many marks they have given. So title, poet, for that 1 mark they have given. For the format they have given 1 mark. I think R over here stands for the rhyming scheme, for which they have given 1 mark. And for the main content, means the third paragraph, from 2 marks they have given me 1 mark. So there I lost mark. I think so. I don't know why they have deducted over here, but yeah, you can see how I have presented. First I wrote the title at the center also. so that without reading the question number and all, also the examiner will come to know, okay, this is the appreciation. And then you have to write in a very structured way. Especially you have to underline in your appreciation. मतलब appreciation में if you're not underlining, then marks मिलना, अच्छे marks मिलना becomes difficult. Then question number 4 is again unseen passage. So these all things like the same as I have written. See, किधर भी ऐसे you will not see that my link was did not break anywhere. मतलब अच्छे से जिस handwriting में शुरू कर रहे हो, that should be maintained till the end. Then you see this was like they told us directly to write the 4 measures, इसलिए मैंने वो points में लिखा. And half mark for each. Then if you want to read, it is a very good answer, and I think this is half. Yeah, this is like almost 3/4 page of your board's paper. But if you see how you have to present, take that into your mind, how you should write it, how you should do it. That is important. Then comes summary. I was not sure कि मुझे summary में 4 marks मिलेंगे, to be honest, because the summary was a bit tricky. But I think title was very nice. Global warming, a poison to the nature. If you read it, you can, if you want to read it, you can definitely. But then what happened कि passage ऐसा दिया था ना उन्होंने कि वैसे लग रहा था कि everything from the passage is important. But then I took out the important things from that, and then I wrote one. And if you say I've got 4 marks in summary, which is a very good score, because most of the students lose marks in summary because it is very difficult to write a summary. I personally feel that it's difficult because thinking of a title itself is difficult. I think I wrote the title at the end. Like after writing the summary, I wrote the title. Till then, I was just thinking, what should I write? What should I write? But and here you can add like a few words of your own, but do not try to add a lot of words on your own. Okay. अगर आपने थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन किया है, 95 मार्क्स मिले मुझे, 1 मार्क्स समरी में गया, एक अप्रिसिएशन में गया, मतलब अभी कितने हैं, 3 मार्क्स. मीन्स इन राइटिंग स्किल्स आई ओनली लॉस्ट 3 मार्क्स. इट्स लाइक अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट, यू नो. सो उसमें कैसे मैंने प्रेजेंट किया देखो. In my letter writing, examiner gave me 3.5, but then moderator made me four and made my marks 4.5. So this because there is no mistake in my letter. See, if you see पूरा अच्छे से format, like it looks so good. First of all, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है दिखने में. And then how I have written subject को underline किया है मैंने. Okay, and after that, if you see परफेक्ट पैराग्राफ्स है देयर. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इंट्रोडक्शन का लिखा है मैंने इसमें. सेकंड पैराग्राफ आई रोट अबाउट द मेन कंटेंट एंड थर्ड वाज दिस. आई थिंक थर्ड वाज अबाउट द कंक्लूजन. सो तो ये थर्ड एंड फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ तो फिक्स करके गया था मैं, जैसे कि ये with respect to the above subject, I would like to draw your attention on the growing menace of misuse of mobiles. So I had already learned this part till आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ योर अटेंशन. एंड ये मैंने पहले से करके नहीं रखा था, बोर्ड्स के पहले दिन किया था ना. एंड देन ये नीचे का पार्ट, द लास्ट आई एंटिसिपेट फॉर योर पॉजिटिव एंड प्रॉम्प्ट रिप्लाई. सो दीज सेंटेंसेस प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. इफ यू सी कंटेंट में मुझे 2 में से 2 मार्क्स दिए मॉडरेटर में, और जो मेन लेटर की बॉडी है उसमें भी 2 में से 1.5 मार्क दिया है. एंड ऐसे ही मिलते नहीं हैं इंग्लिश में मार्क्स, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ आपको. एंड उसके बाद comes the question of where we have to write information transfer. तो उसमें mostly students get 4.5 5 marks, and मुझे भी 5 marks मिले इधर. Then उसके बाद था I think so या speech writing. So speech मैंने अच्छी खासी लिखी थी, अगर आप देख रहे हो it's almost 2 pages. वाटर इज लाइफ अच्छे से मैंने हेडिंग दी है, अच्छे से मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है सबको. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू रीड प्लीज़ रीड इट. बट अगर मैं अभी रीड करते बैठा देन बहुत टाइम लगेगा. तो आप एक बार देख लो कि मैंने कैसे प्रेजेंट किया. एंड आई थिंक इसमें भी हैंड राइटिंग बहुत अच्छी आई है. एंड आई यूज्ड मल्टीपल स्लोगन्स एंड कीवर्ड्स. ओके, जैसे कि फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ आपका स्पीच का देखो, वेरी वार्म एंड प्लेजेंट मॉर्निंग टू रिस्पेक्टेड चीफ गेस्ट, डिस्टिंग्विश्ड डिग्निटरीज, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स एंड माय फेलो मेट्स, आई फील प्रिविलेज्ड टू स्टैंड बिफोर यू टू शेड लाइट ऑन द टॉपिक वाटर इज लाइफ। ये वर्ड्स मैटर करते, टू शेड लाइट ऑन द टॉपिक। एंड देन मोस्ट एसेंशियल कोट मैंने लिखा, एक संस्कृत का श्लोक था, उसको मैंने इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करके लिखा। देखो, वाटर इज फॉर कंजप्शन, इट इज फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, इट इज फॉर जनरेटिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एंड वाटर इज फॉर लाइफ। Save water, save life. Crucial, essential, effectively, water management, need of the hour, water harvesting, implemented, domestic, agricultural and industrial purposes, substantial and immense growth in population. Conserve water, blossomed the earth with crops. And then, and maybe I added a quote: "Water is for life, if not saved, invites death." Thank you for your rapt attention and amazing response. So these things also I learned on the day of boards, in the morning time and the day before my boards. एंड ये किस कैसे किया, मेरा इस पूरा इंग्लिश के पेपर का जो क्रेडिट है ना, आई गिव इट हाफ ऑफ द क्रेडिट टू माई क्लास टीचर, क्लासेस में जो थे वो उनके, एंड हाफ क्रेडिट गोज टू जेमिनाई। बिकॉज ये जो कीवर्ड्स, ये जो स्टार्टिंग वाला पैराग्राफ में ये जो ऐसे ऐड करना था वो लर्न करना, एंड के पैराग्राफ में ऐड करना है वो लर्न करना, एंड देन एडिंग दीज कीवर्ड्स इन बिटवीन। जैसे कि ये जो स्टार्टिंग का पैराग्राफ था वो भी मैंने 2-3 बार रीड किया था, जेमिनाई ने ही बताया था मुझे। ये एंड में रैप्ट अटेंशन वाली चीज़, ये मैंने कोई तो गाइड में पढ़ी थी। एंड देन ये इमेंस ग्रोथ एंड ऑल, ये कीवर्ड सब्सटैंशियल, ये कीवर्ड्स मैंने पहले से, मतलब बोर्ड के पहले दिन आई टोल्ड जेमिनाई to give me a list of keywords which I can use during my boards, and then I learned it, and बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट हुआ मुझे उससे। देन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में भी हाफ मार्क इंक्रीज किया मेरा मॉडरेटर ने। दिस वाज न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट। नाउ न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट यू कैन सी हाउ आई हैव, मतलब कैसे लिखा है। हाँ, no, news report doesn't have to be more than one page. See, within one page it should be there. And I made a box for that news report. Okay. And then last part was story writing. I was expecting more in story writing, like 4.5, because story writing was a part मैंने show and tell trick use की थी, like cold, breezy, then raindrops were not pleasant, and the title भी देखो, that mesmerizing afternoon, suddenly crying noise came, then बहुत सारे dialogues ऐड किए थे, I kept a stone on my heart, then देखो एक उसमें भी quote ऐड किया, कैसे ऐड किया वो देखो। Now I thought of ignoring him, but then I remembered good people never go astray of the path of justice. अब ये जो quote था वो मेरे संस्कृत की कृपा थी। संस्कृत में एक कोट का एक था ना, ये ट्रांसलेशन था, उसके वजह से मुझे याद था। एंड देन स्टोरी हैज़ टू बी मिनिमल, लाइक 1.5 पेज, उतना लिखा मैंने। एंड यस, सो दिस वॉज इट। आई होप दिस वीडियो वॉज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। इसमें आपको पता चला कि हाउ यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट योर पेपर। जैसे मैंने मार्जिन्स लगाया, आफ्टर एवरी क्वेश्चन मैंने लाइनिंग्स की है, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, जो स्टार्टिंग में हैंड राइटिंग थी वो ही मेरी एंड तक रही। दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ लैंग्वेज पेपर। न्यू क्वेश्चन ऑन अ न्यू पेज, सी स्टार्टिंग में जो हैंड राइटिंग थी वो ही मेरे एंड में थी। सो या, दिस वॉज इट। एंड मेरे और भी पेपर्स है, आप देख सकते हो, 243 पेजेस है। सो और सब्जेक्ट्स है, बट इट वुड बी टू लॉन्ग वीडियो, लाइक इट वुड गो आई थिंक बियॉन्ड हाफ एन आवर, 1 hour, if I try to share all the papers in once. If you want to know, you want to see other papers also, then do comment down. And for this video I think English is more than enough, and if on any specific writing skill topic, if you want tips, do tell me. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then only like the video. Thank you.